Hello! Welcome to the rooftop of the Electrical and Computer Engineering building, where Joyce and I are joined by about 950 solar panels, which are producing renewable energy for ECE as we speak.
Annabelle and I want to share a little bit about the importance of solar energy, and we're going to do this with solar ovens to make s'mores.
This is a fun activity. You can take it anywhere, camping. It's pretty easy. All you need is a pizza box. Of course, we'll be making our s'mores as we wear our masks and socially distance.
As the sun is cooking our marshmallows, let's talk about what this solar installation can do. Did you know that this solar installation can produce about 275 kilowatts of energy, and that produces about 1/5 of the building's electricity needs?
And did you know that 60 panels are dedicated to student and faculty research?
Each panel can immediately convert the energy produced into AC energy that goes directly to the grid. One of the largest AC installations of its kind.
All of this helps ECE reach its goal of net zero energy usage. Right now we are at about 30% reduction in energy emissions, which is about 200,000 pounds of carbon dioxide per year.
The ECE building also achieved LEED Platinum certification, partly as a result of the solar installation that you see here.
Speaking of goals, are the s'mores ready?
Let's find out.
Happy s'mores!